changes will occur in the future air duct industry. Today's video sharing some opinions. If you like it, remember to like and bookmark it. Firstly, the regulations on building energy efficiency are becoming increasingly strict. The duct industry will launch more low-carbon and energy-saving duct products to reduce energy waste and pollution. Secondly, the system will incorporate more intelligent technologies, realize real-time monitoring and automatic adjustment, improve efficiency. Thirdly, the industry will gradually shift away from traditional air ducts, turn towards good insulation performance, low noise, easy to install modern flexible air ducts for the future development of the industry. What is your opinion? Welcome to leave a message in the comments section.